South-South cooperation has been a growing trend in the development cooperation ecosystem. And I believe this is a trend that will even grow further. China has been, a long-standing partner of the Global South, whether through bilateral cooperation or through, different mechanisms, right? Whether the BRI or the GDI. The more you look at the impact and the results of these cooperations, you see a lot of successful results, whether it's in the area of infrastructure building, connecting countries together, or digitalization, or trading and e-commerce. Any area that transcends geographical borders requires South-South cooperation, whether it's the climate agenda, the water agenda, the environmental agenda at large, peace and development. All of those key priority issues that the developing countries are grappling with are definitely at the core of the South-South cooperation agenda, including also the bridging the financial gap. Because when we talk about South-South cooperation, is leveraging expertise and resources to be able to support the advancement of certain areas of work. All of the countries of the South are playing an important role, and China being one of those leading forces. And I think, every country of the South has an important role to play in this and has a comparative advantage to offer, China being one of those key countries that is playing that role.